of the district council to levy taxes is pretty wide in terms of land and whatever is being done on the land, and so they're within their jurisdiction, right? So the next one, which is important, especially in the national context, is always for tribal areas that seem to have mineral resources. So paragraph 9 gives the autonomous district councils the authority to provide licenses or leases for prospecting of or extraction of minerals. Now this is especially relevant in Meghalaya because 2 district councils hold power over 2 areas that have 2 important minerals. One is the Jantia Hills Autonomous District Council. They have the coal mines in the Jantia Hills, which have been shut down by the NGT in 2014. So now there's a huge coal lobby that wants it reopened, which I think will be applied